So we're wide bodying the Urus right now.
Wait, stand in front of that.
We're taking all the parts off this wide body car and we're putting it on mine. Isn't that right?
Yes, sir.
So look we're actually putting the hitch from this car onto our car. Me and Sally. Sally's behind the camera. Say hey.
Oh.
Something that's really funny is this is the exact same car as ours, and this has the exact hood I want. It has the exact wide body kit I want. It has pretty much the exact wheels I want too, but these are not the exact wheels. Like I'm gonna get different wheels, but they are pretty much exactly what I want. And the car is black, and the only difference is this has orange stitching and mine has yellow stitching. So it's literally the exact car. They're doing like a custom kit, but I just want to put the kit on normal. But anyway, it's kind of interesting that this is literally the exact car as ours. This is what we're gonna do by the end of the year. We're gonna wide body, but what we're actually doing is we're putting a hitch on here because of course the Urus needs a hitch because we need to be able to tow around the dirt bikes, obviously. And when we get our second Lamborghini, then we gotta tow the second Lamborghini with the main Lamborghini. Here's the hitch, check it out. It's pretty heavy duty, I'm gonna be honest. This thing's like,
I thought it was gonna be like
this thing is probably rated for, I don't know, 5,000 pounds or something? 7,700. Holy crap. 7,700 rating on this thing. And look, everyone makes fun of this Urus being an Audi.
Oh yeah, that's funny.
They're not even lying. I mean, it is a expensive Audi Q8, but come on, listen, the Urus is not an Audi Q8. You guys all know that. When you see it, you don't go, oh, it's an Audi, unless you're a hater.
Audi or Audi?
Audi. I don't know.
I just came up with an idea. I'm going to take one person that hops on the Flip Money program and I'm going to fund their first deal and walk them through the whole process and literally let them keep all the profit and all of that. So this is something I just came up with and I literally am helping all you guys get your first deal and all these things, but I'm going to fund one person's deal that joins the program. I'm looking forward to it because, you know, someone's going to get hooked up hard, and not only are they going to get hooked up hard, but they're going to get helped. And hopefully after they get their first deal, they'll be able to do it all on their own. And, you know, I think this is going to be very, very impactful for one person. So hop on the program, hit this link. Let's get you going, get you on the program.
My name is Serge. I just work on cars.
He's just a really...
I'm just a worker.
He's just a really boring 21-year-old that's literally building a wide body Urus.
Honestly, we got this car like such a discount, such a piece of crap.
Yeah?
Honestly, like, if you guys want to take it, you guys can.
Yeah.
He's trying to do content, and I don't think he thinks he's cool enough to make content, and that's the issue. So I'm trying to hype him up to tell him that, listen, bro, there's no 21-year-old literally building a wide body Urus. I wasn't doing that at 21. All I had was a wide body C8. I was a loser back then. Serge's Garage. Nah, to make it your name, you'll do what I did. My name used to be Judah's Garage, and then people would come to me and be like, bro, Judah's Garage. And I was like, my name's Judah. My name's not Judah's Garage. So anyway, make your name your name. That's a little content tip from yours truly. I put a hitch on literally my C6 and people freaked out. I put a hitch on my C8 and people freaked out. I put a hitch on my Hellcat and people freaked out. And now we put a hitch on Sally's C8 and they freaked out. And now we're leveling up. Hitch on the Urus. Keep scaling up and we're always gonna put a hitch on it. That's like the signature. Hitch on the Bugatti. Let's see if I cut enough, is the real truth.
It's not bad at all.
It's pretty mint. So we're picking up a new quad today, and we're at U-Haul right now getting a trailer because my trailer's at the house and it's 2 hours south and I need to go north. So we're renting a trailer for the Lamborghini because we just put a hitch on it. So it's gonna be pretty funny when they ask what model of car is pulling the trailer and they have to look up the rating to see if it's rated for it. And I have to tell them a Lamborghini. So I think it's funny. I don't know if you guys think it's funny, but I think it's gonna be funny. So we're gonna see what they say, and then I think they help hook it up, which is gonna be funny. So I figured we'd film it.
How's it going?
What's going on? How you doing today?
It's going good. We are renting a trailer, please.
What do I call earlier?
Oh yeah, you're the guy we talked to?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
What are we driving?
Yep.
A 2019 Lamborghini Urus.
Bullshit.
It's not bullshit. I didn't sell my body either, don't worry. People sometimes think that.
When you say Urus, Lamborghini? Yeah, we're actually not joking.
Okay.
I know we're
The
pranksters,
first Lamborghini that
but...
probably ever come in here.
Probably is, yeah, actually, yeah. All right, 2019 you said?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you want the worst news I can tell you right now?
What's the worst news?
You're not even in my system here to rent that too.
Well, I already knew that the car is not going to be in there, but it's a full-size SUV that's 5,000 plus pounds, all-wheel drive. It's just an SUV.
Put it down for a Porsche.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. It looks like one.
It's on the Lamborghini.
Oh, that's so easy.
Oh shit! Look at it.
Okay, call me if you need any hitch installments.